In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello everybody, how are you doing? Good, we're doing great. By the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah, my name's NA Saqib. I'm your arts mentor, IELTS trainer. Additionally, we're also teaching the students of spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. My dear friends, my today's lecture will be about reading subtext of the IELTS again, and about it's one of the most important question types, that is identifying the writer's views. They fall in two categories actually. They are concerned about two question types. They are true, false, not given, and yes, no, not given. These are actually the most important, rather notorious question types. So we have to see today about their tips, and we have to understand the task first, and then we have to see how it can have a better solution. So let's get started. True or yes actually means that the same information is found in the passage. False and no means that the opposite or the contradicting information is found in the passage. Not given, as it is very much clear, the information is not given, or the relevant information is not found in the passage. These are two different question types. There is a bit of difference between the two, between true, false, not given, and yes, no, not given. In true, false, not given actually, it's all about the factual information. Information which bases itself on the facts and figures given in the passage or in the text. As far as yes, no, not given is concerned, it's all about the writer's opinions. So that's the minor difference between these two question types. Now, what you need to do for doing good, or rather better, in this question type, actually you'll usually read to identify writer's views, not only from direct statement, but also from the implied meaning of the text. So, it's important to understand the meanings of the writer between the lines. However, you should not try to guess the writer's views. Guessing is not allowed at all. Or personal assumptions are also prohibited here in this question type. You have to base your answer on the facts and figures or the opinions expressed by the writers in the text only. So before trying to locate the answer, you better just paraphrase the statements given in the question section. Paraphrasing means try to find the meaning with different structures. And as I told you that there are no scope of assumptions, and base your answers on the text only. And there are three options of the answers: true, false, not given, or yes, no, not given. You have to choose at least one of them. The big problem occurs sometime when the students mistakenly mix up these both question types. These are two independent question types, and they should be seen as different tasks. So if you are writing true, where you should have written yes, it will be wrong. Where you're writing false, where the answer should have been no, it will be false again. So you should be particular about the differentiation between the two. And for doing well and for catching the answer appropriately, you have to look for synonyms. You know what the synonyms? These are different words with similar meanings. You can take the example of intelligent and smart They are two different words. They've got similar meanings. And you have to also look for the qualifying words like always, sometimes, often, usually, rarely, hardly ever, never. So these are the few examples. They can change the meaning of the sentence altogether. As far as this question type is concerned, there is a big tip, and that is the answers come in order. So answers come in order. It's a big tip. It can save your very precious time. So keep an eye on the next question. As a matter of fact, when you are attempting one question, you must consider the second question or the next question. Maybe in the following lines, the answer to the next question will be found. And don't go back or read the whole passage to find the answer. And that's the benefit. And the benefit is you don't have to waste your precious time. That's it, my dear friends. This was all about true, false, not given, and yes, no, not given. I hope you would have taken the notes. These are the extremely important question types. They're often seen by the candidates in the papers. So beware of it. It's I must say that it comes in all papers of the reading subtest of the IELTS. I hope I'll see you in another video as well. The upcoming video will also be about further question types. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.